Happy Wednesday to you. This is Karen Cruz Orduña at your First Alert Weather Center. We did start off to a windy morning today in parts of the region. As we head into the afternoon, that'll gradually pick up at around dinner time too. But luckily, as we head into the evening, it will calm down, especially in the Central Coast area. But as we head into the Gaviota area by 2 a.m., well, it'll still be very gusty, so be mindful of that. For your allergy forecast, if you're allergic to trees, it will be high, grass at medium, weeds at medium, and mold at low. For the environmental concerns, the air quality is going to be moderate in Santa Barbara, and the UV index will be high in the city too, so be sure to wear that sunscreen. For your future view in Santa Barbara at 8 a.m., it'll be 56 degrees. As we head into the afternoon at around 2 p.m., it'll be 69 degrees, and in the evening, nice and mild at 64 degrees. In the 5 cities at 8 a.m., it'll be 53 degrees. By 2 p.m., you will see it'll be at 63 degrees, and as we head into the evening at 59 degrees. For your next 3 days, we will experience a cooling trend for today with an upper level low pressure bringing average temperatures, but as we head into Thursday, it will be nice and warm because of that warming trend. And well, Friday, we do have an offshore flow pattern bringing warmer temperatures to the community. For your forecast in the South Coast area, nice and mild in our community in this specific part of the region. As we head into the Central Coast, well, it'll be nice and cool, 62 degrees in Orchid, 59 in Guadalupe, Vandenberg at 58 degrees in the San Luis Obispo County area. Those temperatures are pretty similar, 64 degrees in San Luis Obispo, 60 degrees in Pismo Beach. Be sure to wear that sunscreen and hydrate because, well, it'll be nice and mild in Ventura County. Have a beautiful day today.